We're gonna be taking all 3 of these cars out on the road today because we price dropped each one of them $2 grand. This is a price drop video on 3 Chevelles that we have. Our whole entire front row right now is under 30 grand, guys. This one's gonna be the first test drive, and I'll show each and every one, and then we're gonna take them down the road. 1972 Chevy Chevelle. This one's gonna be $25,900 now. It was $27,900. Up next, this one here, 1972 Chevelle as well. This is a Malibu trim level car. It's $27,900. It was $29,900. And then right on the other side here, we've got the gold Chevelle 72 model. It is $29,900, marked down from $31,900. So let's take them down the road, pop the hoods, and check them all out. First up on the list, 1972 Chevelle, stock number 2767-1. This one does have the 350 under the hood. It's also got power brakes, power steering. Pretty clean, a lot of engine space in here. Aftermarket set of American racing wheels, disc brakes in the front. Got the bench seat in here. Looking at dual exhaust in the back. Let's go ahead and open the door and start her up. Pretty clean on the interior. You do got some cracks on your seat here. Carpet has been changed out. Column shift. See the seat there is a little bit cracked up. Back seat looks nice. Package tray matches. It's clean. Same with the headliner. Starting this one up, she does sound aggressive. Great sounding exhaust. Dash is pretty clean. Motor is quiet. Now we're going to be taking this down the road, so get ready, guys. Let's go for a ride. Okay, so yeah, brief drive, and then I'm going to the next car, guys. We're just going to take them down the road one by one. Full exclusive test drive videos are available on each car. Just go to YouTube, click Maple Motors, and check cars currently available. Let's take off. This thing sounds awesome. There's a lot of people on the car lot this morning. Try not to scare anybody. This was pretty loud here. All right. She easily kicks the tires over. No problem at all. Sounds mean. I mean, really does. Here we go, guys. Let's take her down the road. Brakes feel good. She was spinning right off the gate there. I love that motor sound. A little bit of a squeak from the belt though. And like I said, this one was marked down from $27,900 to $25,900 and currently available. Now, I'm gonna do the same thing with the other 2 cars. We've got the other Chevelle that is yellow. We've got the other one that is gold, and they are coming up right now. right, before I start this one up, we'll walk around it, check it out. 1972 Chevy Chevelle price drop. Now $27,900 from $29,900. Let's pop that hood. As we pop the hood on this one, matching number 350, power steering, power brakes, AC. And we'll go ahead and start her up. Now this is a totally different beast. This one here is more of a driver. She's quiet. Pretty clean though. Got the bench seat, turnkey. Real quiet under the hood, nice quiet exhaust. All right, we're gonna take this one down the road just like we just did. Again, full test drive video going over all the aspects of the car on YouTube under the playlist. All right, here we go. I'm gonna take off down the road on this one. This one's just more of a driver-friendly car. Sorry, it's been very busy for the holidays right now. It seems like at all times there's 10 to 15 people walking around the car lot, so I have no way to cut everybody out of the video. Hey, seatbelt alarm works. I guess we got to make sure we put that on, don't we? There we are. She is quiet. She's smooth. I can deal with it. Yeah, this one's nice and straight going down the road. Decent steering. Plenty of pep there. Little crackles from the exhaust. I like that. That's nice. Now you can catch those crackles, undercarriage shots and all that in my test drive videos on YouTube. Definitely check those out. I know I keep mentioning it, but some people don't watch them, and once they do watch them, they're like, dude, you go over everything. I don't miss anything. I try not to, but if I did, no problems. We'll send you more videos. That's not an issue. So any kind of things that you're concerned about, call us. We'll go over them with you. That's what we're here for. We're gonna head on back to the lot. We got another Chevelle to drive, gold 72 on the front row there. I'm gonna wait for traffic to pass. I'll see you in a minute. Now this one here is priced a bit more for a reason. 72 Chevelle with the 400 V8. Does have the automatic transmission, power steering, power disc brakes, performance upgrades, Chevrolet dress-up kit, MSD ignition, aluminum radiator, headers, dual exhaust, Flowmaster 12-bolt rear, tubular upper and lower front control arms, bucket seats, console with shifter, a media radio that's been put in there, tube bass in the back. Yeah, she's pretty cool, but she's got quite a bit more features than the other two that we had, and that's why the price is up a little bit. Let's go ahead and start this one up. Now, this could easily be taken out. Somebody added an oversized screen in here. Some people love it, some people hate it. It's easily taken out though. You can see how they mounted it. They didn't destroy a lot of stuff on the dash or anything doing it. You've also got upgraded digital gauges in here. They don't flash like that. That's the called refresh rate on my camera. Now the head unit is kind of moving around a little bit. It's a little flimsy. Interior on this one looks good. Motor's nice and quiet. I love the valve covers. Everything's shined up good, looks great. Well, let's take this one down the road. Okay. It's our final drive here of the 3 Chevelles that have been marked down this week. Now, each and every week, we go over all the cars and tell you everything we know about them. With that being said, when I do have a mark down, I'll make videos just like this showing the ones that we did. Sometimes it's the 5 to drive. What do we call it today? The 3 to be? Here we go. Seems to be shifting out smooth, speedometer's working, going pretty straight down the road, tight steering. Get down, baby. She's definitely got the pep, feels good. Now, I've mentioned it multiple times. Again, check us out on YouTube. Hit subscribe, share this video, and check us out at maplemotors.com because we update every Monday with new classic cars. And we are that one car lot that will tell you every detail about the cars that we get in. If you do have certain questions, no problem. We'll send you more videos. We'll answer those questions. We have a great report, and we've been here over 40 years, guys. Actually, like 42 years now. Family-owned business as well, and we plan on staying here another 40 years. Thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe, and I'll see you later in another one of our videos. Okay, now I gotta get a cool thumbnail picture. Figured I'd include this with it. Why not? Hard turn, hard turn. We'll put a backup on the front row too. Little squeaks coming from that power steering. All right. This one will flower out to the right. There we go. Let's go to the other one over here. Well, I gotta move this out of the way. Sure hope they left the keys in it. Somebody's gonna call about this one now. Woo! That Plymouth Fury, baby. Get her over here in the corner. Alright, so how should we do this? Boom, boom, boom. Might have to readjust the one over there. You know you gotta have a good thumbnail. I think this will work. I don't know, guys. Am I messing up here? Ooh, it's starting to come together right now over me. What I do with them keys? There they are. Boom, baby. This one definitely sounds the best. Of course, you could always up the exhaust on the other ones. Now, I think it's gonna make a wonderful thumbnail here. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, that's mean. Thanks for watching, guys.